Hey, this is Ken with Total Quality Painting. Just picked up this new sprayer, the Graco Quickshot. We're gonna unbox it and show you what it's all about. Well, it comes all nice and sealed in the bag already. Very nice. Very smart. Alright, so here's the Graco Quickshot. Comes with a bag, carrying bag. Nice heavy duty zippers. Nice. Because that's usually the first thing that breaks on a bag, the zipper. Check that out. Okay, so we're gonna put it back up. So we got some pump armor and a piece of wire. This must attach to the gun somehow. We'll figure that out. This looks like the battery charger. Directions, cardboard for the cats. Wow. Looks like something from the future. Cool. So that's the pump and the paint reservoir or the cup. And this thing, it's not super heavy, but you can tell it's solid. It's not that's thick. That's it's plastic, I believe, most of it. Here's the gun. Open this up here. It looks like they gave us a tip, 514 tip. That's a cool bonus. Let's see if there's anything else. So this is that's a belt, it's a sling, I guess. It goes around your waist, and the machine will sit on your hip. Not sure about that, if I like that, but we'll see. We will see. I guess some more paperwork. And these look like our batteries. So awesome. And that's everything. Well, that's cool. So now that we got everything laid out, let's take a closer look. This is our pump and gun and cup pot, I guess. That's what we're gonna call it. So the gun is attached to the pump, obviously. And we have this guy hooks up right here pretty quick. Boom. Just like that. There is a filter in here. And that just sits right in there pretty easily. Just sits down in the bottom. That's gonna catch all the dried up paint or dirt or big debris like that. Boom. Make sure we don't mess that up. Okay. We got our spray and our prime switch here. So we'll show you how to use that one. Here's our gun. It's a little different. It's pretty balanced, but I guess it just takes some getting used to. It's nice and small. It's really compact. But I guess here is our pressure gauge. So we've got 1 to 10. I'll have to do a little reading on that, but I'm assuming that 1 is light pressure, and 10 is your max. That makes sense to me. So there's their gun and the pump, and that's a pretty, like I was saying before, it's a pretty heavy duty material. This isn't cheap and by any means. So I'm expecting this to last for a while. So we also got these two 20-volt batteries. These are Dewalt. Two of those. I think that's pretty cool that they were smart enough to give you two batteries, and eventually buy another charger and two more batteries, just so that I'm never caught with a dead battery. That's always annoying, but two's a good starting point. So along with the pump, it comes with a heavy duty nylon belt and a pretty sturdy, really sturdy actually, clip. I guess it looks like the Quickshot clips right here, and then this clip goes onto your belt here. So that's really cool. That'll probably take some getting used to, having a pump on the side of your belt. And they also gave us a 514 and a 210 FFLP tip with a blue guard and another filter, which is awesome. The nice thing about this is this 210 is really ideal for like your trim. It shoots out a 4-inch fan. It's a little smaller, so 210 is really good for trim, doors, cabinets, different things like that. I like to use a 310, but the 210 it's just a little bit smaller, so it's a little more precise. And the 514 is really good for ceilings and walls and different things like that. This puts out a lot more paint than the 210 does. So that's about it. They gave us some pump armor. This just keeps your pump from kind of seizing up. It's like a protection for if you're gonna leave your pump on the shelf for a while. You may want to put some of that in there. It also helps with freezing, but this is Florida, and we never have any issues with that, really. So, okay, so that's the Graco Quickshot and all the wonderful things it comes with. Go pick one up. I'm going to try this one out. We'll do a video showing you guys how it works here soon. I've got some staircases I'm going to be clear coating and staining, so this is going to come in handy walking up and down those staircases, not having to drag this long cord. It's just this nice, easy, compact unit. So stay tuned, check it out.